20 p.m. on Friday evening in Odisha's Balasore is because of the derailment of 10 to 12 coaches of the Shalimar-Chennai Coromandel Express caused them to fall onto the opposite track. Subsequently, the Bengaluru-Howrah Superfast Express collided with the derailment coaches, leading to the derailment of 3 of the 4 of its own coaches, adding to the tragedy. A goods train was also involved in the crash. And so far, what we do know is 233 people have lost their lives, 900 have been injured.